Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to export your artwork as a PNG in Krita. To do this, go to the top menu and click File, then Export. Don't use Save or Save As because those save in Krita's native format, not PNG. In the export dialog that opens, navigate to the folder where you want your PNG file saved. Then in the Save As type dropdown, choose PNG image or type .png in the file extension. This tells Krita you want your picture in PNG format. Type the file name you want and click Save. A PNG export options window will pop up. Here you can set compression level. Higher means a smaller file, but slower and minor quality change. And check whether you want Save Color Profile included. Default settings work fine for most users. Click OK and Krita will export your image as a PNG. This produces a flattened image and your original .kra project stays untouched if you export it instead of overwriting it. And that's how you export as PNG in Krita. Thanks for watching.